Well, in our previous video, we managed to make the interfaces for both the sign up and the login interfaces. But now we are heading to the main form. Let's say the admin has created the account, he has managed to log in. The next form will be, this form will be the home page. Meaning, well, I was telling you that it will work as the home page. Yes. On the home page, this is where we find links to other forms. You get it? The home page, let me show you in the already made project. This is the home page, right? This one here. The admin will have to create the account and log in. Creating the account will be for the first time, then logging in will be regularly. Okay, that is it. And you're seeing, let's navigate this home page. We have this panel here, we have a button around here. Yeah, I was saying the interface here, what we have this panel up here. This is a flat floor panel here. This one, see, here it is, a floor layout panel. This one, inside here we have a group box. We have these two buttons, group box. This is a flow layout panel. This up here, this is a picture box behind. Picture box, panel, label, button. Here, this is a button. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to design this same thing but the other way. For those guys who are not around, the main issue of these videos was for those to get a hint on how it was done. So what we do here, we come to the project, then add Windows form. Yeah, let me first close this here. Yeah, this. Let's see what we have. Close the class view. We view the solution. That here. So we come to the project, add Windows form, then we'll call this home page. Like this. Home page. We add that. So we'll stretch it to the size of the other one, like this. Well, that is very small, a bit small. We stretch it up to that size. Yeah, here we have it. Then for this, it is looking very perfect, but let me look at this. Yeah, they are similar. So we start. We need a panel up here. Yeah, on top we go panel, like that. Yeah, it is. Yeah, we put it in the up corner there. We drag like that, dragging. Yeah. We will use this panel for naming what this form is about. The owner here on the panel, everybody should know the use of the application that we are developing. Yes, we need a white background for this form. Press the backspace key, we come to the back color, we come, then choose the control white background. For this panel up here, we change its color to lime. Lime is this green stuff. Seeing the green stuff. Then we need the label up here. Come to the toolbox, go for the label. Yeah, totally here. Then to ease this, let's just copy the text of this. Welcome to copy that. We bring it in our form. Yeah, we look for the label text. The text here, we paste that. See, it's here. Welcome to Promise Gardens, the Lubaga branch. This is, we made this project for this hotel. Then let's try to check the font property of this particular control. We go for the Arial, Arial font. We need the Arial black. Let's increase the font size to 16. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, 16. We change its color for color to control light white. Yeah, I think we have it now. This top is even better than the already made project. So for the compiling purposes, we'll have to change the startup form to the home page. For now, let's look at it. Yeah, here it is. Guys, are seeing that? Yep. Then I think we should remove this and the icon here. We don't use our time. Then we look for the home page text. We delete that. Then we look for that icon stuff. Icon. Here it is. Let's see if we can remove it. It is of this size. Let's just leave it. We can only manipulate it but not removing it. Okay. Then after that, we need this picture box behind one. We will copy this because we don't have it now. We paste. Here it is. This is the picture box we are to use with that background, with that image it is holding. Let's close this to get a clear view. Here it is. Well, we are done with the picture box. Wow, here it is, but it's a little bit dragged from here. Are you seeing this? We can solve this issue in this way. Let me first just like that problem that has happened there. Let me show you that when you try to resize something, you see, look at this, that you do. Are you seeing that some content will be enclosed? We can solve this by anchoring, joining the picture box. This picture box, let me see here if I can get let me see, drawing. Okay, let me leave that. Okay, let's leave that. What I mean is, here we anchor this to the edge here. We anchor these edges, that when someone tries to resize, they will go together, meaning they will resize at the same time, not leaving this one behind. Hope you've understood. Let's go and fix that. Now you get it. Let's click on that. You click on what you need to anchor. You look for that option of anchoring. Well, let me look at this. Behavior now drop. Anchor is somewhere. I'm not seeing it somewhere. Cursor background. Let me try to do this like this. Let me first move this. Well, it's in this token size stuff. Well, when I see that, I'll fix it. I'll show you. Should I find it anywhere? Okay, let's go on. This is what we are designing. Now we need this flow layout panel one. Here we go. Flow layout panel. This one. This is it. And we want this centered like that. Yes. This is it. Sorry. Now the flow layout panel one work as a holder for our navigation links. You guys know about websites. Any navigation links are either up on the top, is on the top left or top right. Now, for our case, they will be here. The linear format down here in the middle, but holding by this, the flow layout panel. Then we need a group box. box control. Here it is. That is one. We need, let's say, we need three of them. As you're saying, we need three. The transaction history, that is it. Then also need another copy paste. Let me see. Let's copy this and paste it. Let me, yeah, that's going to be right. Well, here, let's see. Wow, that is it. This one is too stretched. Okay. Well, we are just remaining with one group box. We have this group box, this one, then one for here. Let's check it out. Here it is. We need this one. So we make a copy. We paste that copy. Here is the copy. When we try to drag it, you see it distorts our alignments here. Let's undo that. Then to solve that issue, you remember when I told you about the issue of anchoring? Anchoring, it's like concatenating. Yeah, that stuff. You find that option in the layout. Yeah, are you seeing that? This one, it is anchored to the top left. As you're seeing, it is anchored to the top left. This one is anchored to the top right. Let's check that. Here, we've clicked on group box one. Let's check the anchoring. It is top right. Then for this, it is top only. It's just top here. Then let's change this to be to the bottom left. Click on it. Click this. You disable the top. Left bottom. You drag it here. Oh, let's wait for that. Let's try to remove. Oh, it's not yet disabled. We go for we disable this. We give it the bottom and left. Come here. Don't disturb. Well, it has worked out. We need some spacing. Extend. Let me just reduce their sizes like this. Here they are. Let's try to, oh, that's too big. Let me change the anchoring of this. Just stop. Yeah, that is it. Let me even change the size from this one. Yeah, that is it. Let's change, I think this works. Let's change the text, transaction maintenance and transaction history. We go for this. We look for its text. Let's cancel this. Text is up somewhere here. Yeah, drag this way. We need the text is here. It is transaction history, like that. Then we change this also. It is transaction like that. Then we need one for maintenance. Maintenance. Why it's like that? Let me change that to N. I think it's like that. This is what we have now. As of now, we only have this is it. Now we're going to add the buttons. So I prefer calling them links to other forms. We will add the button here, buttons. Let's check that from this way. We have the book room, reserve a room, manage stuff. Let's just copy this. Copy that, paste in here, paste. Wow. See, we've tried enlarging this. Let's drag this down like that. Create space like that. Create more space. Push this up. Pull this down. Pull, pull, pull. Now let's try elongating them up to that. Yeah, this is it. Now we're done with that. These are all buttons. We get the other buttons from this side transaction. Copy that, copy and paste up in there. As you see, yeah, a little smaller. Let me enlarge one at a go, like that, like that. I leave them like that. Okay, let's go for the what? For the last side. Here it is. Copy, paste them here. The transaction history buttons. Bookings. I think that is bigger. Well, let me put this below. I think that size is enough. This is what we have now. This is it. This is the system. The system. Now what I think is, if it's possible for us to change how these borders, the group box borders look like. Let me see if we can. Flat. Let's try to change them. See. I see nothing as good here. Let's leave them to system. I was looking for something different, but I found something different, more different. Let's see, border, not really. Nothing good here. As of now, my understanding, I see it as complete similar to this. Getting? Only that we have this button up here, the lookout. What we do here is we extend this way, then add a button up here. Let's just do this. I think that's enough. We get a button of that height and of that size. The way we read it, that's enough. Then let's change its what properties. At first, what we're going to do first is we change its text to log out, like that. We add an image to it. Text align, let me look for the text. Who sees it somewhere? This where align, left, right, no, really. Because now we can also add, let's first increase the font size a little bit, give it the Arial stuff, give it 10. Want it to black, Arial black 10. That will work. Here it is. Let's change its background to transparent. We need this color to pass through this button here. So what we do there, click on the button, look for its foreground color. Let's change the color of the text on that button to white. Here you come, and we want it transparent. Foreground, this button, want it to have transparent. And look at this, that ain't good. Okay, we leave it it's line here, line. Then we need to remove these borders here. We change this to that. I think that will work. And using this text align, we push it earlier. Okay, text overlay. That's not what we need. We need the text to the left. Then here we put an image this way. Let's see this. I have an image in this already made project. Here it is, this one. Let me copy this, paste it somewhere. No, let me see if we can save it. This one. Check for its properties. Where is it from? Here it is. Let me see. Report. Where did you get this from? Let me see. Assets. What we have here? We have them all. Okay. Go to the assets folder. Pick it. We go. Then I sing this. Let's go for the image local source, local resource. Then in this already made project, we have the assets folder where all images are kept. This lookout clip. Pick that. Okay. Wow, this is disturbing. It's like that, but the way it is, it's kind of with a bad background. It's important now. This one will work best like that. It has no background. Then we need that image to be to the right, need to the left. Image align, want it this way. I don't know if it's cooperating, but we don't need you in the center, middle. Let me see. It's where is the king now? Now let me clear it out. Clear that. Okay. Let me see. Look at this. You see that? Look out. The logout stuff here works perfectly. And let's add some image on it. We copy that same image from this way. We copy that. Then we use it on our image here. Paste this somewhere. That I never copied. It is here. Copy. I don't need the pan. I need the image. Copy. We come to our project and paste. Here it is. Here it is. It fits very well, but it has issues. Its color should be of light. It's like that. And to make this, it's wow, this is it. And just try to look at this here. This is it. I think the home page is also done. These are links to other pages in our program, and this is the exit button. Yeah. And I told you to fix this, right? Let's go to the other one. There are two ways to fix that. You either stop your project from being resized, or you anchor it to the right. Let's do this. We go for the layout. You will see the layout is here. It is anchored to the top and left. You're seeing that it's anchored this way. also. Let's check that. You're seeing that? You're seeing that? Now some stuff is not anchored. This one. We fix that too. We also get this panel up, anchor it to the right too, like that. We get this group box 3. It is anchored to the top and left. Let's anchor that too. We roll. Let's see. We have now some stuff that is not anchored. We need to fix that too. Let's see. Here it is. We have something. We have this group box 3. We have this label and that. Let's fix that. This label and this button. This one. Here we are in here. Let's look at that. Okay. We click on this. We look for the anchoring. It is top and left, then right also. We go for this top, left, and right. We go for this also. This one. It is top, left. SYZ. Where is that invalid value? Let's check that. Here it is. We have a problem. We now have a problem somewhere. Here it is. But to solve this issue, a good idea of stopping this project from being resized will work better. To do that, you just come click on your form that you don't need to be resized. You come and look for the what? This one, sizable. You click to fixed. It should be fixed. No one should resize it. You see, now the edges, they are not giving us the option of moving it anywhere. As you can see, the project is now good. Let's see for the as option fixed tool window. What of the fixed dialog window? What does it do? It does not also allow us to drag anything anyhow, but it gives us these options: the minimize, maximize, and this. Let's see if we maximize. As you can see, we can maximize, but maximizing brings problems. Now we also need to fix that. We look for the controls of this form. Control true. We remove the controls. False. Look at that. Look at that. This one. Are you seeing that? I think it's fantastic. This way. It is. This is a button for going out. This is that and that. This is what. Here we should have a button or somewhere here button for minimizing, because now we've turned the other buttons off, meaning we need to add a minimize button somewhere. But now we have our homepage interface done. Thank you for